Hi everyone, this is Simon, your MegaWords property specialist. And right now, andito tayo naglalakad sa may Uptown Mall, dito sa may Uptown Bonifacio. This whole Uptown Bonifacio is 15.4 hectares. And ang maganda dito, everything is within your reach. We're inside the township, nandito na lahat. So we're on our way to Uptown Arts Residence and papakita ko sa inyo yung mga available units natin for Uptown Arts Residence and also the hotel type amenities. So now we are here in one bedroom unit of Uptown Arts Residence. So this is a 58 square meter and papakita ko sa inyo yung mismong unit. So this is your door. So this is already a digital lock set. This is already a smart home equipped unit. And this is your kitchen. So in your kitchen, you have a beautiful countertop. So this is already quartz. You have 2 burner cooktop for 1 bedroom. You also have range hood. So meron tayong mga overhead cabinets and mga drawers. And you also have faucet and sink. So this is already retractable. So on this area, you have a provision of washer dryer. And on this is your refrigerator by Door & Hay. And on this side, it's your living and dining area. And what's good about it is you'll have a floor-to-ceiling glass window. And sobrang ganda ng view. You'll have a Makati skyline and Uptown Bonifacio. And also in your living area, you'll have included of split type aircon. Let's go dito sa balcony. So this is your balcony looks like. So now, let's go to the bedroom. So this is your bedroom looks like. And what's good about it is you'll also have a modular cabinet and a split type aircon. So very spacious siya for 1 bedroom, and you also have a direct access to the balcony. And now, let's go to your toilet and bathroom. And this is what it looks like. And everything you see here is already included. So this is by Villaroy & Bock. Another thing I love about Uptown Arts is the hotel type amenities. You'll have access to a beautiful pool area, fitness center, function rooms, and more. Parang naka-check-in ka sa luxury hotel every single day. So this is your outdoor fitness area. And then yung gym natin is located here. So this is your gym area. So if you're into fitness or workout, this is perfect for you. Now, let's go to the game room. So this is the game room, and what's nice about it is kung meron kang mga guests, pwede nyo siyang gawing entertainment area, and merong ping pong and also chessboards. So if you're someone who values privacy, luxury, and convenience, Uptown Arts Residence is definitely worth checking out. If you are looking for a rent-to-own condo here in Uptown Bonifacio, then Uptown Arts Residence is perfect for you. We have available units, studio unit up to 3 bedroom units, and we have promos and discounts available such as no down payment or 10% down payment to move in. If you're interested or if you want sample computation, feel free to message me.